In the world of precision machining, efficiency is the key to success.
Welcome to the TCM Service Center. For over 25 years, we're providing our customer with the top quality grinding services. Come with us to the short tour.
With over 20 grinding and CNC machines and a team of more than 50 employees working in 3 shifts, TCM is there for you every day. Thanks to the TCM grinding process and the integrated coating facility, we can achieve the shortest delivery times. In addition to regrinding, the repair of tools and the production of new and special tools is covered. One of the biggest USPs is the specialization in the reconditioning of gear cutting tools. While industry standard removes 0.3 at each grinding step, TCM Service Center grinds at minimal material removal due to the specially developed hob and broach inspector. This process increases the lifespan of gear cutting tools by 30%.
At TCM, it's not just about precision but also about sustainability. We help our customer achieve their ESG goals by providing regrinding services for the reuse of tools.
TCM is the grinding partner for all industries. Our goal is customer satisfaction. We deliver tools on time and always meet our customers' highest quality standards. When TCM grinds a tool, it is at least as good as new, or even better.
TCM, your partner for top quality services.